Did you subscribe to my channel? Because I will be giving away Fontana wigs. So make sure you tap that notification bell so you will get that notification. In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure your head to make a wig. Make sure you put your fabric tape behind your ears. The next measurement is going to be from front to nape, straight to the back. Mark it with your finger. 14. The next measurement will be the ear to ear. It is mainly for if you're making a lace front wig, the ear to the ear, so you'll know where to cut the lace. Behind the ear, over the head, and behind the ear. And it's a 12. The next measurement is the ear to ear back. I'm going to measure the temple. And this is for more like the 4x4 lace front. A 5.5. I mean, this is the adjustable wig cap that I use. So you can mark where your wefts are going to be sewn. Stay tuned for the next video that I'll be posting showing you how to sew this wig with a sewing machine. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.